All right, today we're here. We're gonna have to take this valley out here and try to tie this in. So we're gonna do a quick repairability test to see if this is possible without damaging other shingles. So we have successfully got the nails out of this shingle here. This shingle actually comes back here. There's a second row of nails. So to get this out, we have to take the nails out of this row here. This is already starting to delaminate here. Same with this one here, picking this up. This one's starting to delaminate too. All right, so this is successfully taken out. You can see the amount of mat transfer here. All that came off is now sticking on the back of this shingle here. Therefore, this shingle will never adhere correctly to the shingle, the new shingle that's installed below it. You can try to seal it. Sealing it is a temporary patch. This is a granular asphalt product that has rocks on it. Eventually that sealant is going to peel these rocks from the mat and come undone. That is a yearly maintenance thing that you have to keep doing. On a roof, you never want to have to come up and seal, 100 shingles every year. So let's try to reinstall this one. Also getting out here, there's a tear here. Delamination here on this shingle above it. That's the shingle that's going to be staying. You can clearly see creasing here, delaminating, creasing here, the delamination here. All the granules are all loose here. A little more creasing. I would say this is a fail. This shingle right here has been removed, installed, which is fine. This shingle's not going nowhere. The problem is this shingle was never going to adhere properly to this, and one good gust of wind, this is coming up here, and this is already compromised. And therefore, if we keep trying to trying to replace these valley shingles here, all these shingles are up along the entire valley are going to now look like this. So that's definitely a fail.